Global Compact, which is an international network of interested groups providing a platform to engage companies in responsible business behavior. I welcome Dr. Kohli of the Global Compact for his benign presence on this occasion. Sir, we are beholden to you for the patronage, support and encouragement of the tool of integrity. Your presence has ensured us of the helping hand we can depend upon for our further studies related to corruption, good governance, and other publications of that time. The project of publication is an acknowledgement of the fact that IP, Integrity Pact, has been a very useful tool in creating. I may mention briefly that Integrity Pact is like a rite of passage or a ritual of getting into a different lifestyle, like it's an oath, or you have rite of passage, from adulthood one enters into the married life, and there are certain commitments which one undertakes. So therefore, we think that it's like baptism, which makes you adhere to some of the important practices once you get baptized in any of the religions. So I think this acceptance of the regime of discipline is one of the core issues and one of the core strengths of the Integrity Pact. And by accepting this, by signing a pledge or a compromise or an agreement with TII, one is making oneself conscious of the responsibilities that are attached to the pact as such. So we are seeking commitment from the companies that they will follow certain procedures. Though it's a written document, it can be referred to because it is written. And in case of any violation of this agreement, we can cancel the bid, we can blacklist the firms. There's a provision for the forfeiture of security, legal action can be taken, etc., etc. So any company which voluntarily agrees to come within this fold is committing to all these things. And we have been making studies of the evaluation, trying to evaluate to what extent has it been helpful, and we find that it's a very transparent procedure. This is the feedback which we have got from the various public sector undertakings. This evaluation was done by a professor from the MDI, Management Development Institute, Gurgaon. So it's a very independent opinion. We had no participation in that. So it provides a level playing field for everybody, streamlined procedures, and many of the companies have told us that the credibility has gone up, the image has gone up, and we have a wonderful system of redress of grievances. If any vendor has any grievance, we have the independent external monitors who look into that grievance and try to resolve the matters. We have got the feedback that the litigation of most of the PSUs has come down or it has completely evaporated. So therefore, it is a sort of an instrument which makes the procurement officers feel very safe. Now they can ward off any pressure, political or otherwise, or incentivize the pressure, saying that we have signed the Integrity Pact and sorry, we can't budge from this. And this is also a very comfort zone for most of them. I compliment the efforts of three authors, Ms. Deepti, Ashutosh Mishra, and Jyot Prakash Kaur for having done a difficult but a wonderful work. I'm sure you will be having a copy of this or it will be given later. We sincerely hope that the report will generate further interest in the business world. Since Global Compact, sir, is a unique platform to engage companies in responsible business behavior, we urge upon Dr. Kohli to convince the industry to adopt the integrity pledge, which is parallel to the integrity pact because of certain other problems, so that there is a level playing for both the public and private business.